Hi, I'm Sadie, and I am going to tell you about the color wheel. The color wheel is a circle with different sectors that are colored to show relationships of the colors. There are three primary colors: red, green, and blue. Those colors are light colors on the wheel. So the color wheel, there's violet and a blue. So when you mix them, you get blue-violet. And I am going to mix some other colors to see how this goes. So I mixed all on my color wheel. So I mixed yellow and green to get yellow-green. I mixed blue and green to get blue-green. I mixed blue and violet to get blue-violet. Violet and red to get red-violet. And then I mixed orange and red to get red-orange. And then I mixed my orange and yellow to get yellow-orange. So I hope it was a fun experience for you, but it was a lot of work for me. Hope you learned something today. Bye!